Ever looked at a website and thought, how does this even work? This video is for you. Today, I am going to teach you HTML from scratch, no experience needed. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how websites are built and you'll be able to create your very first web page. Before we write a single line of code, let us first of all understand what we are working with. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Every website you have ever visited, every article, every button, every image is built on HTML at its core. Now, HTML works through what we call tags. Tags are special codes that tell the web browser how to display content. They are written inside angle brackets, that is the less than and the greater than symbol. Most tags comes in pairs. This is where we see an opening tag and a closing tag. The closing tag has a / before the tag name. Tags that work in pairs are called container tags because they contain content inside them. Some tags, however, stand alone. They do not need a closing tag. They are called empty tags. We will see an example of that shortly. Now let us look at the basic structure of every HTML document. These are called structural tags and they create the skeleton of the file. There are 5 structural tags that you need to know. The first one is doc type. This is always the very first line in an HTML document. It tells the browser which version of HTML is being used. So while it is not strictly mandatory, it is considered best practice to always include it. The second one is HTML tag. Now the HTML tag marks the beginning and the end of the entire web page. Everything else goes into these tags. Think of it as the outer boundary of the document. The third one is the head tag. The head tag contains the header section of your document. It is not visible to users on the page itself, but it holds important information such as the title of your page, which is shown on the browser tab using the title tag. Also in the head tag, we also have links to style sheets using the link tag, and we also have meta information using meta tag, which includes things like the keywords and the author of the page. The fourth one is the body tag. The body tag is where all of the visible content of your web page lives. So we have your text, your images, your links, and everything the user will actually see when they open your page. All goes inside here. Now that we understand the structure, let us look at the tags you will use most often inside the body of your document. So the first one is the paragraph tag written as the letter P. The P tag is a container tag used to add a new paragraph. So each paragraph tag creates a break and starts fresh content below the previous one. And looking at the example on your screen, you can see an open P tag and a closed P tag. Then in between, you can see your contents. The difference between the open P tag and the closed P tag is the slash. The second one is the line break tag written as BR. The BR tag has a line break within a paragraph. Notice that this one is an empty tag, so it has no closing tag. You use it when you want to move to a next line or a new line without starting a completely new paragraph. Looking at the example on your screen, you can see a P tag like we taught earlier, and then you can see like to break the sentences into two. We can also see a BR tag that does not have a closing tag. So it's just like an empty BR tag without a close, right, BR. And if you want to view this on your web browser, what you do is you go to the left hand side of your Visual Studio Code. You will see 4 boxes, then you click on it. Once you click on it, you see a search button. You search live server and then you click on it and install it. My one is installed. That's why you can see on install. The moment you're done installing, go back to your HTML file and then at the right hand side of your Visual Studio Code, you are going to see go live. Just click on go live and it will take you straight to the web browser where you see everything you have coded so far. So we're going to be talking about the heading tag. Now HTML defines 6 levels of headings. The heading elements can be used to specify the font. So if you're using H1, and you know that each one is like the highest of all headings, you should know that they are going to use a specific font that matches the size. Also helps with paragraph breaks before and after the heading. Now that paragraph break before and after the heading means it's going to be a gap on top and then below. That's what it means. So when you're saying before and after, it's not like front and back. It's talking about before and after the heading, just to make it look like an heading for real. And then the white spacing, that means space in between your words. So there's going to be a paragraph break before and after the heading and the white space that is necessary to show the heading. So the heading level ranges from H1 to H6. So you can see on my screen, we have H1 down to H6, and you can see that the sizes varies depending on what size you want that you can choose. Now note that the size and style of the 6 heading levels may vary across browser. All right, we're going straight to block quote tag. Now, the block quote tag is used to quote text from an external source. So if you're wishing or you want to quote somebody else's words or sentences, you can use the block quote tag. It automatically adds spacing on both sides to visually separate your code from their regular content. So, for example, looking at your screen, you can see my sentence poem ends with, and then I put my content in between the block quote tag, has made it very much like a quote. So if you want to quote somebody else's statement, you can actually use the block quote tag. The bold tag written as the letter B. So the B tag is a container tag, and it simply makes your text appear bold. I'm sure we've seen this in our WPS Word document, where we just want to make our words or sentences bold and very visible more than the normal P tag, right? So looking at your screen, you can see the difference between your paragraph tag and the B, that's the bold tag. So the next one is the superscript and the subscript tag, written as sub and sub. So these two are especially useful for your mathematical and scientific content. So sub displays text below the normal text line, while super displays the text above the normal text line. Now, what this means is that what I just do in my head is sub is like, it feels like below normally, and you say super, you're super, it feels like up, right? So for example, now looking at your screen, you're going to see H2O, and you can see the H2, the two beneath. So obviously what you're going to use there is what? Sub, because it's below. For some reason, it just has a way of aligning with my thoughts, right? And you can also use superscript for something square. So if you are saying 6 raised to power 2, like you can see on your screen, you can use word super because it's what up. All right, so we're going to be talking about the strike through tag. Now, you need to pay attention because it can be confusing. We have 3 different versions of this strike through, right? The first one is the strike, which is the older version of the HTML tag. So you don't want to use that. So let's cancel that. Then we have the S, which is purely visual strike through. Like when you see a sentence and then there's like a cross line in between it. So it has no special meaning. And then the del, which is the last one, is the modern semantic version, meaning the content has been deliberately removed. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see that I used the strike through, which is the S, and the del, and they still produce the same results. The key difference between these two is that the S itself is just purely visual strike through. So you're just saying a pure visual strike through, like you just cancelled that particular sentence. And then the del indicates the deliberately deleted contents. For me, they still produce the same result, so you can choose whichever one you want to use. The list tag. Now, HTML gives us different type of lists. We're going to be focusing on the 2 most common ones. The first one is the ordered list, and it is written as OL. An ordered list is a numbered list. You use it when the sequence of item matters, such as steps in a process or a ranked list. Now, looking at your screen, you can see I already made use of my ordered list, and in between my ordered list, I used my list tag. Now, if you list these things without using your OL tag, it will not be listed, meaning that you will not have it numbered, right? That's why we said our OL tag is our ordered list. So you need to add that ordered list outside so that the computer can understand that, okay, am I using a bullet to number this thing, or I'm using numbers to actually number it? So that has to be listed. Now, the second one is unordered list. Your unordered list is written as UL. An unordered list is a bulleted list. You use it when the items are related but do not need to follow any specific order. Just like the ordered list, each item inside still uses the li tag. So looking at your example, you can also see that we use UL tag, and in between we have our list tag. So you don't want to number, you don't want to say, okay, this is 1, 2, 3. You just want to add a bullet. That's what the UL is. So just when you're thinking about the OL tag, know that you're using it for numbered lists, and when you're using your UL tag, just know you're using it for what? Bulleted lists. Linking web pages. Now, one of the most powerful features of HTML is its ability to link pages together, and this is done using the anchor tag written as the letter A. Now, the anchor tag has three key attributes that you need to know. The first one is href, which stands for hypertext reference. Now, href specifies the URL that the user will be taken to when they click the link. You can also use it to jump to a specific section within the same page. The second one is title. The title attribute provides additional context about the link. It appears as a small tooltip when the user hovers over the link, and it gives the browser information about the destination page before it even loads. And the third one is the targets attribute. And this target attribute controls where the linked pages open. For example, using the value blank will open the link in a brand new browser tab or window. Now, what this means is that the target does not work on its own. It works with a value, which is blank. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings us to the end of today's lesson. So we have covered a great deal of ground today, from the foundational structure of an HTML document to the most commonly used tags for formatting text, creating lists, and linking pages together. I encourage you to open a text editor right now and practice everything that we have covered today. The best way to learn HTML is to write it yourself, make mistakes, and learn from them. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, leave a comment below with any question you have, and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss any of our future lessons. In our next video, we're going to be building on what we have learned today. I'll be teaching you how to add images to a web page, work with tables to display structured data, use forms to collect user input, and structure your layout using frames. It's going to be a very practical and hands-on lesson. So make sure you subscribe and have your notification turned on. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.